Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make QFD in Excel. We'll begin by setting up the fundamental structure of your QFD matrix, often called the House of Quality. This powerful tool helps translate customer desires into actionable product or service specifications. Excel offers a highly customizable environment to build this matrix, allowing you to manage complex data and relationships effectively. We'll walk through each section, ensuring you understand its purpose and how to populate it accurately. Next, let's construct the main body of the House of Quality. Start by listing your customer requirements, the what's, down the left side. These are the voice of the customer. Across the top, you'll define your technical requirements, the how's, which are your design solutions. Assign an importance rating, typically on a 1 to 5 scale, to each customer need. Then, in the central matrix, you'll quantify the relationship between each what and how, using symbols or numerical values. Now, we'll add the roof of the House of Quality, which is the correlation matrix. This section illustrates how your technical requirements interact with each other. You'll use symbols to denote strong positive, negative, or strong negative correlations. Below the main matrix, define target values for each technical requirement and benchmark against competitors. Finally, calculate the absolute and relative importance of each how by multiplying the customer importance by the relationship ratings and summing them up. With your QFD matrix complete, it's time for analysis. Review the absolute and relative importance scores of your technical requirements. These scores will clearly highlight which hows are most critical for satisfying customer what's. This data-driven approach helps prioritize design efforts and resource allocation. Remember, QFD is an iterative process. You can refine your matrix as you gather more insights or as project requirements evolve, ensuring continuous improvement in your product or service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.